Let's go through some easy steps to make some $3 press-ons look like a $100 manicure. Now, all of these are going to be linked down in my description box, so you don't need a pen and paper to keep up with all the tools. Now, the first step is to make sure that you push those cuticles back because this is critical in making that nail look like it was done in a salon. Now, a pro tip is to remove your cuticles a day before the manicure so that your nails aren't too juicy and they're able to grip the glue. So make sure you get those cuticles out. The next is to buff your nails for grip. Now this is important because this also creates a not so smooth layer so that the glue has something to grip onto. I like to pre-size out my nails, so I go through and check and pick the best fit for those particular nails and then lay them out by finger so that I can quickly access them. Now, this is the most important part. The nail dehydrator and pH bond you can find in my Amazon storefront, and they take your manicure from lasting a couple of days to about 2 weeks, the same as a salon manicure. Make sure that you're covering the bottom of the nail and hold that thing tight because boom, you about to have a whole fresh set and it's going to last you 2 weeks. Enjoy.